Hey everyone, Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing today? One more video before I'm on my way to Phoenix to watch my little stud Georgia play volleyball this weekend. So anyways, what we have here is a 1950s ALKA-SELTZER dispensing unit you would have found at a drugstore. Basically what would happen is somebody would come up to the machine, pay the money, they would drop down their ALKA-SELTZER pill here, they would grind it here, and it would be going into a cup there for plop plop fizz fizz, and oh, what a relief it is. Make it yours.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.